Welcome back to the channel Trading Simplified. I'm a trading enthusiast and love to simplify trading. To get started, just a reminder that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for entertainment purposes only. Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're talking about AMC. Now, AMC has earnings on November 1st, so I just believe it's noteworthy to make a video about this just to get some eyes on it. Now, in case you are not sure what AMC actually is, this is the movie theaters, these guys. And basically, they are the meme stock that went to the moon. And I just want to bring them up. AMC stock, just so you can see the chart. So here we go. So AMC over the last year went all the way up, past this and like a $60, $72 around there. But they usually live around the $4 range. And now they have earnings coming up on November 1st, so 2 days from now. So I believe Monday is going to be earnings. And if you're holding it right now, it's like, should you be holding it at these, depends what price you have it at. But is it a buy before earnings or a short position before earnings? And it looks like it might potentially go up, might go down. Who really knows? Nobody has the answer to it. But looking at the chart, if we happen, it always makes me laugh at AMC when they talk about earnings, because AMC is not a stock that runs on earnings, because it wouldn't have went up to $50 to $60 a share then. It's a complete meme stock, and it blew all the way up. But if earnings doesn't do well, I could imagine them actually breaking down and coming down to the next support level, which is going to be around $32, and we'll see if that holds. And if it doesn't hold that up, $30 to $28 to $29 would be our low. So if it doesn't do well on earnings, which this stock really shouldn't be based on their earnings because it's a meme stock, but it goes down from that 35 range down to 32.50. That's already a 10% drop. And if it goes all the way down to $30, which would be huge, would be 15%. So I'm going to be watching them during earnings. I don't have a position in them yet. I only buy AMC when it actually sells off. I don't feel comfortable buying stocks like this that just fluctuate so much if they're up high. Because you can see over the last couple of days, AMC went all the way up to about 40. I don't know why this isn't working. Hold on. It went all the way up to about 40%, like $40. All right, I apologize for this. Here we go. It went all the way up to like $40, and then it sold off in the last couple of days. And I think it's because if you're holding this stock and you're not sure what it's going to do. If you're holding them in that $44 range, that's scary stuff, because you don't know what they're going to do, and they could just completely sell off. So you just got to be careful with stocks like this. And I don't like to bag hold. I like to day trade AMC only. I know we have a lot of AMC holders that hold. They're hodling till like 1,000, but unless you're holding a few shares, I could see that. But when you're doing big day trading, you can't hold that much overnight. But we got to look for these support levels. Let's see how they do. And AMC, it's noteworthy to say that if they were to build some momentum, let's say, their resistance is $43. That's a huge resistance level. And until they break 43, they're not going to go higher. But the thing is, their support level is really down here around the $30 range. And I know this because I'm looking at these candles here, and I'm looking at the low of them, and it's $28.91. So $29 is a good entry on AMC, but it really depends. We're going to have to see if they go bearish. They've been bearish because they've just been selling off. And they've been hovering this $35 support line and then boosted back up to 43 and then failed again. So we're going to have to see where it goes, but let's be patient. I don't want to buy before earnings unless it truly sells off. I want to see where it's going to go and then make a movement on it. AMC is a very risky stock, so you don't want to do too much, but you got to go in with whatever you're comfortable with, and everybody's different, obviously. So I just want to give my 2 cents on AMC. We got their earnings coming up. We're not sure, where it's going to go from here, but we can see clear support levels here. So right now it's trading at 35.5, and if it does break new lows, 34.5 has been a nice little support level. But if it breaks this, it's going down to 32.5, and then 30 next, and then 29. So we have to see if they do anything positive on earnings. This stock is going to go right back up to and test that 43 range, because AMC just moves like that. It moves 7 to 10% in one day, which is just wild. So if you can time those swings, you can really make some good money. But you really got to follow a stop loss when you're trading these guys. But I just want to bring up AMC. It's something I'm looking into. I'm definitely going to be looking to trade it, and I definitely want to see how they do in their earnings first before we just jump in. So always have a plan. Always follow a stop loss. Know what you want to make on them, whether it's 100 shares, 500 shares, or 5,000 shares, whatever it is. But we'll see.